Are you somebody who likes soft and simple makeup looks? Then this video is for you. Continue watching this video till the end if you want to learn this soft and simple makeup look. It is a bridal makeup look, but you can do it for any occasion. So let's get started. Here I'm prepping the skin and I'm applying moisturizer from Biotique. It is their morning nectar. This moisturizer works for almost all skin types, so you can definitely keep this in your vanity. I'm also applying it on her neck. Next I'm applying eye primer. This one is from MAC. Now I'm applying the eye primer all over the lid using this concealer brush, and I'm blending it using the same brush. Now to lock it, I'm using loose powder from K Beauty. It is in the shade translucent, and I'm setting the eyelid for the eye makeup. Now I have taken a light brown shade and I'm smoking out the outer corner. Next I'll be taking a more light brown shade and I'll be applying it on the crease. We are doing a very soft eye makeup, so I don't want very dark colors. We are going to keep it very soft, simple. Now I have taken a dark brown eyeshadow and I'm applying it very close to the lash line, giving a smoked eyeliner kind of effect. Now in the inner corner I have applied a beige matte eyeshadow. On top of it I'm applying glitter glue, and after that I'm going to apply loose glitter in the shade golden. Not too much, I have applied a very little glitter. Now I'm applying black kajal because in this look I want to do a smudged eyeliner. Now I am again smudging the black kajal with a black eyeshadow, smoking out the outer corner. Now I am cleaning all the fallouts. Now I am applying this face primer from Forever 52. Now I am correcting, concealing all the dark and dull areas of the face, like around the mouth, under eyes, forehead. These three places are very important. Never forget to correct and conceal these places. No matter if the darkness is light or very dark under eyes, always correct and conceal. Otherwise, your makeup will turn out grey if you don't conceal it. I'm using this flat brush from Morphe to conceal. Now with a very light hand, I'm using a Glam Beauty blender to blend everything. Do not over blend it. Now I am applying this foundation with a flat brush. And now I am again blending with a Glam Beauty blender with a very soft hand. We do not have to over blend anything. Now I am applying this blush from Prosh. It is in the shade Coral. Blending it with Beauty Blender. using this concealer from Too Faced. It is in the shade Swan. I'm using this concealer to highlight wherever I have concealed. Now I'm blending with a Temp Beauty blender. Now I am baking the under eyes with loose powder to begin my lower lash eye makeup. We are going to buff it off later. So now I am applying the same brown eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Next I am applying this nude kajal from Recode on the waterline. Now taking a darker brown shade and applying it on the crease. Now I am highlighting the inner corner with a golden eyeshadow. Now I am filling the eyebrows, and before filling the eyebrows I am dusting off any excess product. Here I am using this brow product from MAC. You can find all the product details in the description box below. And now I'm applying mascara. This one is from L'Oreal. Now I'm contouring the face using my favorite contour from Benefit Cosmetics. It is their Hoola bronzer. Now I'm using this blush palette from Forever 52, and I have mixed a pink and coral shade together and I applied it as blush. Forever 52 blush palettes are really nice. Now I'm applying this highlighter from MAC. This is kind of a rose gold shade and it is one of my favorite highlighter. I'm highlighting the cheekbone, nose and forehead. Now I am again applying highlighter from Dior. I apply 2-3 highlighters sometimes depending on the intensity I want. I'm also applying highlighter on the neck, collarbone. Now here I'm applying false lashes. These are mink lashes from PAC. Now I'm applying this fixing spray from Forever 52. Next, my favorite part, I'm applying a small red bindi. Here I'm using a lip liner from K Beauty. It is in the shade Fame. I never apply lipstick without lip lining. Lip lining plays a very important role. It enhances your lipstick. So first I applied this shade Xenia from Parul Garg Beauty, but then I did not kind of liked it. It was not going well with the outfit color. So then I topped it up with another lip shade from Parul Garg Beauty, which is Fire Lily, because I wanted a kind of coral shade. And here is the final look. Do let me know in the comments if you like this look, and also let me know whatever you want me to post next on my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.